While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. We're about to check out Babymonster's Forever MV. It got, I think it got posted June 30th. Today's July 1st, by the way. Happy July 1st, I guess. I don't know, like first of the month. All right, Babymonster. Let's get it. Let's go. We're live on Twitch. But yeah, Forever MV. All right, let's see what's happening. Okay, outfit is outfitting. Oh, invitation? Oh, that was fire. That was fire. Sorry for stopping. The head turn. Whoa. Why don't you clap for me? Ooh. C'est la vie. Wow. The stylist is stylisting. Whatever that means. You know what I mean. Oh, okay. That would freak me out. My reflection stopped moving on its own. Ooh. Okay. Oh, interesting way to say in the chorus to say forever. Oh, the heel. Whoa. Okay, change up. Let's go. Hold up.
Okay, you know what it is.
Ooh, a little fire.
Put a million on rock my type. Never seen it in your life.
Hey. Get money. I mean, same girl. And by get money, subscribe to my Patreon. Ooh. Ooh, wait a second. What was that? Hold up. This part right here? Hey. Woo. Oh, bro, I swear Babymonster's rap be on. They crazy though. They crazy with it. Hold up. Go again. Woo. Hey, yo. I want more of that. I want a full rap chorus. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Get it. Damn, that blue on blue look crazy. I like it. They look expensive. Like they got their outfits must be like over a K for sure. Ooh.
I can see the bright horizon.
The slow down. YG has a specific sound. They really do. That you know it's like a YG sound. I mean, same producer, no?
With forever.
Oh, interesting. Ooh, okay, vocal. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Aw. Oh, it's all a dream? And everybody's just kneeling? What the hell? Like, what the? How do you sleep like that? Hey. Hey. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ooh. Them heels, though. Babymonster. Dang. Wait, you know I have to replay that one part. I have to replay that one part right there. Right here. Let me just play from the, like, this right here.
Yeah, you know what it is. I'm the nice.
Woo.
Pull up on me, pay the price.
Hey, hey.
Put a million on the rock my type. Never seen it in your life.
Hey, no. Damn, that's a crazy sound, though. Let's go, let's go. Hey, yo. They popped off on that one. They popped off on that. I see you, Babymonster. Let's go, let's go. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Babymonsters Forever. Oh. Hold up, let me fix that. Hold up. I'm at a, it looks like I'm at a fast food restaurant or something. That's weird. Anyways, put a comments down below what you guys think of Babymonsters Forever. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. If you see this on YouTube, this was recorded and checked out on Twitch, which you should be joining. And if this is blocked, or for some reason I can't upload this will be on my Patreon. Usually my reactions to things that are blocked here, I put it out for free, so be sure to join for free. You can also support the homie by subscribing for $1. It's less than coffee, I'm just letting you know. Anyways, till next time, everybody, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.